Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Lighthouse for performance UX audits, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Lighthouse for performance UX audits, start by visiting the official Google Lighthouse website. Look for the Get Started section on the homepage. Click on the link that directs you to the Lighthouse documentation. On the documentation page, locate the installation instructions. Choose the installation method that best suits your environment. For Chrome users, consider installing the Lighthouse extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, open Chrome and navigate to the page you want to audit. Click on the Lighthouse icon in your browser toolbar. Select the type of audit you wish to perform, such as performance, accessibility, or best practices. After selecting the desired audit categories, click on the Generate Report button. Wait for Lighthouse to analyze the page, which may take a few moments. Once the audit is complete, a report will be generated displaying your performance metrics. Review the results and insights provided in the report. If you prefer to use Lighthouse from the command line, open your terminal or command prompt. Install Lighthouse globally using npm with the command npm install g-lighthouse. After installation, you can run Lighthouse by typing Lighthouse followed by the URL of the site you want to audit. The command line will execute the audit and provide results directly in your terminal window. Alternatively, consider using Lighthouse CI for ongoing performance monitoring. Visit the Lighthouse CI GitHub page for setup instructions. Follow the integration guidelines to configure Lighthouse CI with your existing projects. Once everything is set up, you can regularly check your site's performance and UX. Finally, keep track of your audit reports to identify trends and improvements over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.